New information about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Fold line, including the wide fold, has been leaked. A new report seems to have found out when Samsung's next version of foldable phones will be available. The Korea Economic Times says that Samsung's next Unpacked show will take place on July 22nd in London, England. This is where the Galaxy Z Fold 8, Galaxy Z Flip 8, and a brand new phone that people are calling the wide fold will be officially unveiled. This new lineup could be a big change in how Samsung approaches folding phones. It is said that the company is moving away from the tall and thin design we've seen in past fold models and toward a 4:3 aspect ratio. It is said that Samsung's new foldable phones will be about 45mm smaller than Apple's upcoming phones. This shows that Samsung isn't just responding to competition, it's trying to stay ahead of it. The real news, though, is that the S Pen is back. The story says that Samsung wants to its support for the S Pen again, maybe for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and/or the wide fold. The S Pen was taken off the Galaxy Z Fold 7 so that Samsung could make it thinner, so this is particularly important. Anthony has released a new tip that says the Galaxy Z Fold 8 will have a huge list of improvements that could finally fix almost all of the problems users have had over the years. To begin, let us talk about the battery. A 5000 mAh battery is said to finally give the Fold the flagship level stamina it needs. The charging also gets better. We can use our 45-watt fast chargers a lot more and wait a lot less. Samsung is putting out a laser-drilled metal display plate and a dual-layer UTG for the screen. In plain English, this means a stronger screen, better longevity, and a lot less crease. Performance is also going through the roof. It has the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy inside. This will be able to do a lot of things at once. Let's talk about cameras now, since this isn't talked about enough. There will soon be a new ultra-wide camera with 50 megapixels. This will make scenery look better, group shots sharper, and give you more options. The shape is only 3.9mm thick when it's opened up.